Okay, first one of the day on this rather wet Thursday morning. This is a Ducati Streetfighter, belongs to Kaio next door. He's getting ready to put it away for the winter, so we're going to do one of our full Monty valets on it, get it all minted up, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. I'll probably remove this windscreen, it's got a few marks on there. We'll give that a two-stage polish as well as the bodywork, get it looking like it should. We'll get a good coating of XCP on it once it's all minted up. It's done 20,000 miles on this bike, so it does get used. Time to trot it, get it looking like it should before he sticks it in the showroom for the winter. Give me a couple of hours. Okay, Streetfighter has now been thoroughly washed, decontaminated, degreased, debugged, blow dried, and now in the studio. Time to get it XCP. So we're going to mist the XCP all over the motor, all up underneath your subframe, all down the front, and then we're going to crack on with some polishing. This, I don't know whether you can see that, look at the screen. All this bodywork is very dull. Looks like it's been cleaned with some sandpaper at some point. So we're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. Get a nice little bit of gloss back to it, and then we're going to treat it to some Ultimaxx Signature Pro just to make sure this paintwork is properly protected once it's all back up. That windscreen is all scratched up. As I said, look at this windscreen. What the hell is that? Quite a few chips on it. I think he's done a few track days on this, but paintwork is looking sad. As I mentioned earlier, this does get used, 20 some odd thousand miles on it. So let's bring a bit of life back into this old girl. Old girl, young girl. Okay, two-stage machine polish is now completed on this Streetfighter. Managed to get rid of a lot of those imperfections in this paintwork, got a bit of gloss back to it. Unfortunately, he's followed his buddies quite closely on the road, so it's got quite a few stone chips on the front here, which I can't really do a lot with. But yes, it's looking pretty good at the moment. We've just prepped it with an alcohol mixture. Now time to lay down the special sauce. Ultimaxx Signature quartz. That is a self-healing ceramic that's really going to bring this gloss out on point. So let's get that laid down, get that seat back on, and this Streetfighter is finished. Oh my god, look at the freaking gloss on this. Ducati Streetfighters had one of our legendary full works packages. That includes a good dosing of the Ultimaxx Signature quartz ceramic. Put some XCP all over the motor, all your nuts and bolts, anything I think might corrode has had a nice coating of the XCP, all your suspension linkages, all your shock, all your sprocket nuts, anything that I think will corrode. Chains all been degreased, re-lubed back up. I did a 2-3 stage machine polish on this bodywork. We then prepped it, treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature quartz ceramic. Look at the freaking gloss on that. Absolutely gleaming. All done, 3 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Your bike deserves it. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.